Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and I hope that you guys are amazing. In this video, we're gonna be talking about makeup. Yes, I know it's been like a long time, I think, that we have talked about makeup on this channel. But today, I have a really good cream to share with you. And this is perfect for people who doesn't like to put a lot of makeup on their face. So yeah, without further ado, let's go to the video. In this video, I'm taking photo ready in 2 minutes challenge with Lotus. I have their DD creams with me. Now you must be thinking, Mahi, what is DD cream? So DD cream is basically Defense Do All or Daily Defense cream. The texture is more of like CC cream only, but it also has some skincare benefits. It moisturizes your skin, plus it gives you SPF protection. Now I have two variants with me. First is this pink beige and the second variant is in natural beige. Let me show you how the texture looks like for both of them. This one is in pink beige. Just gonna take a little here and show you guys the texture. So this one is good for people who have pink undertones, and I think my skin will like natural beige more as I have warm undertones. Let's apply natural beige on this hand. The thing about these creams that they actually give you matte finish, and these are like really buildable. Okay, so this one is a bit darker and I think this one will go perfectly for my skin, as I can already see that it has yellow undertones. These are both the shades. You can see the pink one looks a bit different on my skin and the natural beige one goes perfectly. So we're gonna go ahead and apply it on our skin. So I'm just gonna take a little on the back of my hand and apply it in dots all over my face. Never forget your neck, because it is a part of your face. Always apply makeup to your neck and always apply your skincare also to your neck. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it all. Applying the DD cream on my face and I totally love the results. Now I'm just gonna finish it off with Lotus Compact. I'm in the shade Caramel. Let's go ahead and finish our look. I'm satisfied with my base, and as I said in the beginning of the video, that these products are great for people who want to wear it, you know, on the daily basis. So I'm just gonna keep this look very minimal. Just applying some mascara. Taking a blush and applying it on my cheeks and eyelids. Completed my look with a nude lipstick and I'm good to go. Now if you take my opinion, I personally like the natural beige one because I have yellow undertones and it goes perfectly with my skin. So definitely go ahead and try these creams out according to your undertones. The quantity that you're getting in 375 rupees is 50 grams, which is not bad. It's actually really good. One more thing that I really like about this cream, that the coverage is buildable, so it's really good. I really hope that you guys like this video and enjoyed watching it. You can shop these DD creams and more of Lotus products at their website. I'm gonna mention all the links in the description box below so that it's easy for you guys to check it out. And yes, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends. This cream is really good for people who want to use it for daily use. You can also comment what do you want to watch next, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Let's make this family bigger, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.